Komakech Patrick is my name. I am the chairperson of Workers' League under National Resistance Movement in Agago District. I have decided today to share my views and thoughts about the desperate situation a young girl, AJOK VICKY, who comes from northern Uganda, is in. I'm sharing my views in two capacities. Number one, as a concerned citizen of Uganda, and then number two, as a stakeholder in the workers' leadership of Uganda. We have been seeing in the public media about the situation and condition our daughter, AJOK VICKY, is in Syria. My analysis says like this. Number one, AJOK VICKY was taken to Syria under a very unclear circumstances. The company that took her in form of labor trafficking, because Syria does not have a bilateral labor agreement with Uganda. So no another worker from Uganda was supposed to go and work in Syria. And then number two, the situation that AJOK was working in was unbearable. From the different video clips, we have learned that AJOK was not being given food. We have learned that AJOK was being beaten regularly. We have learned that she used to be insulted and many other forms of human abuses. Also, when you now look at the case at hand, where she is being alleged that she killed her boss, Ruth Horawe, a famous actress. When you look at the police reconstruction video, it does not give a clear understanding or reality of the act at hand. If it was a CCTV footage or coverage, we would believe that AJOK did it. And then when you also look at our purported testimony, you will find that it looked as if AJOK was given a write-up to read or cram and say in the public. With this, therefore, I would like to request the government of Uganda to do the following. Number one, increase the diplomatic engagement with the government of Syria so that AJOK get a speedy, fair trial. Number two, the government of Uganda should also consider protecting the welfare of domestic workers that are in Middle East and other Arab countries, because we have been seeing in media how sometimes these domestic workers are being abused, are being sexually harassed, are not paid their money. They come back when they are disabled, when their kidneys are not there, and many other things. So I request the government of Uganda to look into ways of protecting our domestic workers outside. We do also still remember about our son Unek Alfred, who was a footballer in northern Uganda. His situation is also still unknown. We know that he was alleged that he smuggled cocaine in India. We are not sure about his situation. I therefore continue to add my voice and thank the government of Uganda for everything that they are doing. But on these three grounds, the government should speed up the process of protecting all migrant workers from Uganda and all domestic workers that are in the Middle East. For us in Uganda and in northern Uganda, I request all of us to continue praying for AJOK VICKY, to continue praying for all our sons and daughters that are in the Middle East. I say this for God and my country. I remain Komakech Patrick, Chairperson Workers' League, Agago District.